Now there is no need to blame South Africans why they are chasing you in their country. You have to think very well to go back to your country and start to have a drawing board again, to have got a new mind, to have a business. Be partnership with those white people, because white people, they have got skills. Black people, we have got lands. So when you bring those white people and you've got a farms industries with them, you work as partnerships with them, your economy is not going to be the same after 5 years and 6 years than you are fighting with them while they are chasing you. There is no need now. We have to go back to our drawing board, because this country is for South Africans. It's true, guys. South Africans for South Africans. Zimbabweans for Zimbabweans. It's true, guys. We don't want to lie. When they are saying those words, we have to remind us that we have got our own country, because we can't run, guys, of our country forever. Our leaders, they are doing whatever they want to do with our country, and now we are in South Africa. When you go back to your country, guys, you have got more freedom than in South Africa. In South Africa, you can't farm. You can't do a big business. But in your country, you've got a chance. South Africans, they don't have a chance, because that country belongs to whites. Whites are only people who are taking big businesses. They don't have a partnerships with white people. A South African, you've got a same business with a white person. They are working together. But in your country, you can do the same. When you don't know how to farm very good, but you have got a big land. Guys, in UK, white people are very desperate to come here in Africa. You go sit down, go to drawing board, sit down with your president and tell your president that we want to do project 1, 2, 3 project. And when your country is out of sanctions, because the important that we can build our countries is, when your country is on sanctions with Europe, it is going to be bad. But when your country is out of sanctions, and you are calling those people, white people, you are working with them, they are teaching you but many of the people, they learn a lot through in South Africa. You are working with them, partnerships. You are producing things and send to other countries, because the business is to selling in other countries in millions and millions. You can make a lot of money. Go to a drawing board, guys, and draw the board first. How you can run a business, how can you have got a project in your country, than to stack, because here in South Africa now there is no freedom forever. You have to have got a second option, how you can do to run your things again in your country, to work.